I have here this Lakewood plaque sign. Ain't nothing like lake days for lake lovers who want to splash a charm on the shelving, and that's exactly what I'm going to use it for. You could also put it on a table. First impressions right out of the box. It gives an instant lake vibe. It is small, square. It measures in at 5.9, and it's a perfect square, so 5.9. Its design is crisp and high quality. It really is. It is UV printing, and it feels really sturdy without really being heavy. It's going to sit really nice on the shelf. What I liked, perfect size for display. Small enough for a table or a desk, but it'll look good in a windowsill or a shelf where I'm going to be putting it. It is rustic and it is durable. Real pine wood. It looks natural and it's textured. This is going to fit perfectly in that cabin or the coastal decor vibe. And hey, speaking of the vibe, sun rays ain't nothing like lake days. You got it. The quote adds a cheerful, laid-back mood. Can't wait to get on that boat and out in the sun. But would I buy it again? Absolutely. Like a housewarming basket or a lake-themed gift. It is budget-friendly and cute, but does not look cheap. And the final verdict. Charming, low cost, way to really bring that lake life into your home. Hey, even if you're not on the water, whether it's for a cabin, whether it's for a boathouse, or your own happy space, this little sign makes a big splash.